story called I Love You Now and Forever. I love you now and forever. I love the way the sun rises this day and every day. I love the way the old oak grows, sure and strong. I love the way the leaves dance with dizzy delight. I love the way the spring bubbles, flowing and growing. I love the way the birds fly, sky high and soaring. I love the way the river runs, light and laughing. I love the way the waterfall roars, thunderous and wondrous. I love the way the rainbow shines, joyful and jubilant. I love the way the clouds drift, drowsy and dreamy. I love the way the great mountain stands, unshakable, unquakeable. I love the way the sun sets this day and every day. I love you the way you are, now and forever, with all my wild heart. The end. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining me in our story time today.